Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my updated glowy everyday makeup tutorial. So I tend to do these around about once a year because my everyday makeup changes a lot, and today's one is a very glowy, very natural everyday makeup. This is the makeup that I'm reaching for at the moment, pretty much all the time. So it's a very drugstore makeup tutorial, a very natural makeup tutorial, and really quick and easy to do as well. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first up I'm going to use a serum, not a primer. I've really been into this serum recently. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Hydrating Smoothing Serum. It just completely hydrates your skin and it kind of acts like a primer as well. I find my makeup lasts all day with this. It's not a primer, but you know, my makeup still lasts with it. It doesn't slip and slide around the place, so that's really good. And yeah, it just feels really nice on my skin, so I've really been enjoying this at the moment. So I'm going to apply this with my e.l.f. Buffing Foundation Brush. And then for foundation, I absolutely love this one at the moment. It is the number 7 Hydraluminous Moisturising Foundation. Now this actually has medium coverage, which is really good. So it's not completely sheer. There is quite a bit of coverage in there, but it's not too much. And it also has SPF 15. So around this time of year, around the summertime, I have been loving this. It's just been something I'm reaching for every single day. And mine is in the shade Porcelain. So I'm going to apply this with my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection All Over Foundation Brush. Now for concealers, I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection concealers in the shade Extra Fair 4 and Fair 5. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. And then for powder, I don't like to use anything too particularly heavy on an everyday makeup. So I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent, using my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area first. Then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. Now I'm not going to contour on an everyday makeup, it's just not something that I do. So I just use a bronzer, and this is the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade 01 Sunlight. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush to apply it. This is just a very everyday natural bronzer. Then for blush, I'm going in with a very nude blush. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Vintage Rouge. So this is a very natural pinky, pale, nudie blush. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush to apply it. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of natural highlighter. So this is the Wet n Wild Colour Icon highlighter in the shade Reserve Your Cabana. And I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush to apply just a little bit of this, just for a little bit of glow. Okay, now I'm moving on to the eyes. Okay, so it's going to be a very natural eye makeup look today, because obviously it's my everyday makeup. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Geek eyeshadows. So the first one that I'm using is Creme Brulee, which is this middle one here. This is a Makeup Geek single eyeshadow. And I'm going in with my Morphe R37 with this shade Through the Crease. Then I'm going to go in with this darker shade here, which is called Frappe, and I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush to pop this on the outer corners. Then I'm going to go back in with the first shade, Creme Brulee, on the same first brush that I was using, just to blend it all together. Now I'm going to use those same two colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. Then I'm going in with this shimmery, sparkly shade. It's like a champagne shade and it's called Shimma. I'm just going to use my little finger to apply this to the lid. Now I'm going to set my face using my NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Now for eyebrows, I'm using the NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. And then for eyeliner, I'm using my NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. And then mascara, I'm going in with my Tweezerman eyelash colours and then my Maybelline Lash Sensational Very Black mascara. And then finally for lips, I've been loving this lip gloss at the moment. This is the Beauty Bay lip gloss in the shade Candy. Okay, so this is the completed look. This is my updated, naturally glowy everyday makeup tutorial. So this is the makeup that I've been loving at the moment. It's my everyday makeup. It's all drugstore products and it's really easy and quick to do. So yeah, I hope you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!